This process is a civil danger emergency alert system. Today, this emergency alert system about supervillain named Moth. Please don't ground your children, expelled, suspended, arrested, bullying, angry, crying, failure test, make fun of people, getting fired, getting trouble, or destroys your toys, electronics, and your stuff. If you take your Moth miraculous to find out who it is, you will go to jail for 1 month. Please call 911 immediately. There were 40 Akumas in this base. Look all windows and doors immunity. Stay tuned for more information.